guys, we're back at it with more real estate contents, and today's video, we're gonna show you Calm Residences. Nandito tayo sa actual site ni Calm Residences and may showroom tayo dito para mapakita sa inyo kung anong itsura ng isang dressed up unit. So Calm Residences is located here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Malapit lang siya sa Santa Rosa SLEX exit if familiar kayo kay Enchanted Kingdom. And this is actually 10 to 15 minutes away from New Valley area. Malapit lang din tayo sa Vista Mall, Walter Mart, and even hospitals. So if ever man na mag-invest kayo dito for rental property, madami din tayong pwedeng maging market here. So one of those markets is students kasi nandito na din yung University Belt of the South. Then second is employees since this is the motor city of the South. So malapit lang din tayo sa mga technoparks and actually even for tourists. Lalo na sa mga mahilig mag theme parks like Enchanted Kingdom, no? After a long day of playing and riding. So maganda na makapagpahinga tayo sa Airbnb dito sa may Calm Residences. So tara, pakita ko sa inyo yung one-bedroom unit na dressed up ni Calm Residences. So this is the unit layout of a one-bedroom unit in Calm Residences. It is 24.41 square meters in floor area. And tara, tignan na natin kung anong pwede niyang maging itsura once na finurnish nyo na at pinaganda pa. So pagpasok niya dito, andito agad yung kitchen area nyo. Makikita nyo na parang spacious pa rin pala kahit condominium lang siya. So meron kang pwedeng ilagay dito na overhead cabinets para mas may storage ka pa. For this case, naglagay sila ng mga glass shelves. Pero pwede nyo din tong lagyan ng cabinet para mas secured or para mas aesthetic for you. Depende naman sa style nyo, no? Then here, nagulat ako. Then here, meron tayong ref. Makikita nyo naman, nagulat pa nga ako sa laki niya. So kahit condominium, you could also use or buy appliances as big as this. So para magkaroon kayo ng idea, I'm only 5'1" in height. Pero tingnan nyo naman, ang laki ng ref natin dito. And here on the other side is our toilet and bath. So, ang toilet and bath natin is very spacious enough for one person, even to maglagay na makapag-laundry tayo dito if ever man na ipa-Airbnb natin to or like for long-term lease na dito na din sila maglaba, no? Ganun siya ka-spacious, kaya kasya pa na maglagay tayo ng laundry machine. So as we go on further, no, andito naman tayo sa receiving area or living room nyo. Na pwede dito naman tayo mag-dining, then dito tayo mag Netflix and chill. So dito natin pwede ilagay yung television. So, or yung iba naman ang ginagawa nila is malaking mirror wall para mas magmukhang spacious yung unit nyo. So then we have our one bedroom. So, ang maganda dito, papasok siya. So, parang may, sections na nagsimula muna sa kitchen, living room, then your bedroom. Para mas maging more private, no? Like this, you could also opt na magkaroon ng glass door, glass sliding door, or yung i-maintain nyo yung fully partition siya. Yung iba naman, ang naiisip nila is maglagay ng glass partition para mas magmukhang spacious yung buong unit nila. Pero, for some clients, gusto nila ng may onting privacy, kaya gusto nila i-retain yung door ng one-bedroom unit nila, no? So, kayo ba, anong prefer nyo? Actually, ako, kung tatanungin nyo ko, if ever man in the future that I'll have this rented out for long-term lease, dahil malaki or mataas ang ceiling nito, naisip ko talaga maglagay ng loft type na bed frame dito. Siguro, I think kasya dito mga 3 to 4 na loft type bed frame magkabila. Tapos, kasi I had an experience renting a condominium in Manila before na mas maliit pa dito. Parang, I think, half or 2/3 ng size nito, no? Pero, nagkasya kaming tatlo na may loft-type bed frame kami. So, thinking about it in the future, this being a university belt of the South, no? Naisip ko na very convenient yon for students na makapag-rent ng condominium or dorm na may ganong type of setup. And luckily, here in Calm Residences, mataas ang floor-to-ceiling height nila, no? So, what else? Bakit ba kayo mag-i-invest dito kay Calm Residences? Is first, it's flexible payment terms. Currently, we have 48 months to pay 20% down payment na zero interest. During the course of the down payment period, you have that opportunity or advantage na makapag-advance payment or utilize this down payment period na if ever man may maitabi kayo na bonuses or allowances na sa tingin nyo, hindi nyo pa naman kailangan, i-invest nyo na lang dito kay Calm so that by the time na maglo-loan na tayo kay bank or Pag-ibig, hindi na natin kailangan ng mataas na income o kaya naman bababa naman yung income requirement for it to be affordable for all. Lalo na sa mga millennials like me na nag-start out pa lang sa career nila, no? And we're thinking about stability. Then, here in Calm Residences, they also offer Pag-ibig financing, as I mentioned, na very perfect sa mga millennials dahil 2 years worth of contribution lang pwede na kayo mag-loan via Pag-ibig financing. So actually guys, hindi lahat ng properties ay nag-o-offer ng Pag-ibig financing. So when you see that property na maganda tapos may Pag-ibig financing pa, grab it. Kasi sayang ang contribution. So kung hindi din natin mayu-utilize, it's every right of a Filipino who contributes to Pag-ibig. Then third, it's accessibility. Halos 30 seconds away lang to from Santa Rosa SLEX exit. And since nandoon banda yung terminal, no, 1 trike away lang, dinadaanan lang din yung harap nito ng mga jeep, tricycles, and even buses. So, pag galing sa SLEX exit, pwede na rin ikaw magpababa sa harap ng Calm Residences. So, tipid na tipid ka sa transportation at very convenient for you kasi hindi ka na masa-stuck in traffic. So, if that isn't a reason why you should invest in Calm Residences, I don't know why. Kasi hindi ko, parang madaming tao na nasa-stuck ngayon sa traffic. Sayang yung time na pinapahinga na lang sana natin siya. So, very convenient yung locations niya for people who has fast-paced living. And fourth is its accessibility, of course, to New Valley and other establishments such as hospitals, malls, and even technopark. So, businessman, leisureman, or even for vacation, maganda yung location ni Calm Residences. Then, fifth, I don't know, hindi na ako nakapag-track kung pang ilan na to sa daming reason why you should invest. It's yung payment method dito kay Calm Residences. Kasi, you have credit card, GCash, and even debit card na lahat online transaction, walang fee. So, kahit nasan ka man sa mundo, you could invest here. Even the reservation process is very convenient. Na parang, 2 valid IDs lang ang kailangan mo, mag-fill up ka lang ng form. Then, finally, the reservation fee, then done. You already have a unit here in Calm Residences. Just make sure na magbabayad kayo monthly. And may online portal din siya for you to see the transactions that you have made. So, very transparent and very convenient lahat. Even the contracts will be sent to your address. So, para sa mga taong nagbibigin pa lang na makapag-invest sa real estate at gusto nila yung wala masyadong sakit sa ulo, no? Na parang, ay, Gwen, ang hirap naman mag-invest. Ang daming kailangan gawin ng forms, ang daming kailangan puntahan, no? This investing in SMDC, no, it's very convenient and beginner-friendly. Then last, siguro but not the least, I think, is its property management and leasing services. So for OFWs or sa mga millennials like me that's planning to migrate, this is a very great solution that SMDC has brought us na if ever man na nasa ibang bansa tayo but we don't have anyone who could manage our property or wala tayong mapagkatiwalaan or ayaw natin maabala yung mga relatives natin sa pag-manage ng property na pinag-investan natin, we could avail the property management and leasing services ni SMDC. So, very convenient siya even for OFWs, lalo na sa mga gustong gawin tong for rental purposes. So, if you want to inquire regarding Calm Residences, you can message me on Facebook at Gwen C Properties. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. If you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe and notification button so you will be notified for more projects or real estate contents. Again, guys, this is Gwen C and I'll see you there.